Welcome back to another Gilbert's Repairs. Today, I've bought myself a sexy electric car, but 2 weeks in, the electric window has decided that it doesn't want to go all the way up. So hopefully we can fix it on the cheap. Right, let's get on with it. So here's the problem I got. I go to put the window up. It gets to 3/4. Just says no. The window regulator has done its job. It's detected a jam. Therefore, it's now releasing the person's head, basically. That's what it's designed to do. So I can do this as many times as I want. And it just says no. So let's have a look and see if we can sort it out nice and cheap. So I'm guessing what we've got on here is dry window tracks up in here. So we need to lubricate the track. It's in there and it's all the way up here. So it's all the way up there and down in the door. These are the ones that tend to get dry here. You've got to spray it right down in the door. Now the essential thing that you need to use for this, I'll show you. Don't use normal WD-40 or anything. You've got to use a silicone-based product on the window seals. So I'll take you in closer and show you where to spray. So just get your silicone lubricant here and look where the window comes up. So it's coming up in this track here, look. So we want to spray in there. We get our silicone and we spray it down in there because this track goes right down in the door. So we give it a squirt, let it run down and trickle down in the door. So just slowly let it trickle down in. It's going to go down in this track, right down in deep. So we'll work it up and down with the glass. We'll use the glass to work it up and down. So the glass will drag this oil up and down in the track. So there we go, we fixed it already. Nice and easy. So look at that, look. Nice, quick, easy fix. I'll still do the other track, but look. So there's no resistance there. The motor was doing its job. It was detecting a jam. That's what it's supposed to do. So we'll still work it up and down a bit. Put some more in there. And then the window comes up in here, look, on this. So we'll spray in there. Just in the track. And then I'll do the door, see if you're still in shot. Yeah. Yeah. We'll do the door up and down a few times. Do the window up. We'll do the door. Spit it out, will you? We'll do the door up and down. Oh. Right, we'll do the window door. Oh. Right, we'll do the what's going on? Right, we'll do the window. We'll do the window up and down a few times with it in this track as well. There, we got there finally. I think I had a mini stroke there. So, and we'll use the glass just to drag the oil down into the door. So it'll drag it down in. Because this track goes right down into the door and so does that other track. Goes right down in. Oh look, we're there now. Lovely. That's my nice new shiny car fixed within the first 2 weeks of ownership for the price of a can of spray. I think it was £7 or £8 at Halfords. It wasn't a lot of money, but you have to have the silicone spray. Don't put anything else on your rubbers. It's got to be silicone. If you'd like to click on a link that appear here now, you can see any of my other videos that I've got. And if you found this video has been useful and it's been informative, could you please like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you next time.